Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the bus. Number 1. Buses are a common mode of transportation. Number 2. They come in various sizes and types. Number 3. They run on roads. Number 4. Some buses are double deckers. Number 5. Buses can be powered by diesel or electricity. Number 6. They stop at designated bus stops. Number 7. Bus drivers follow specific routes. Number 8. Many buses have air conditioning. Number 9. Passengers pay fares to ride on buses. Number 10. Buses offer an economical way to travel. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.